In this video session, we are going to discuss the practical sheet number 2. So this practical 2 also related to the files and folder. So in this practical, first we'll go through the practical sheet. So you want to create the following folder structure on your network drive. So here folder structures are they have given. So first inside the network folder, there are three folder you want to create: LAN, WAN, MAN. Then after that, inside the LAN folder, star bus drink particular folder want to create. Inside the WAN folder, internet folder. Then after that, inside the internet, intranet, extranet. These two folders we want to create. So then thereafter there are questions. Second question, create the text file. So the similarly we need to create the text file with your name, district, center and the NIC number. Finally we want to save it into the star folder as a skillcom. So then thereafter we need to copy that skillcom folder to man folder, and we need to rename it skill 2015. Then fourth one, apply read-only attributes to the skill 2015 file. The particular text file we want to apply the skill 2015. We want to apply the read-only attribute. So read-only attribute means so we can't write anything in that particular file. So then thereafter create a shortcut notepad and MS Excel in the ring folder. So inside the ring folder we need to create the notepad and MS Excel shortcuts. Finally change the icon of the WAN folder. So particular WAN folder icon we need to change it. So we'll see how we can do this practical session. So inside the network folder there are existing activities are there. Just I will delete that particular activities, then I will create the new things. So for your understanding, so inside the network what I want to do, I want to create three folders. The particular folder name is LAN, WAN and MAN. So new folder. Next what I want to do it, first we'll complete the LAN folder. So first I want to open that LAN folder. Inside that I want to create three folders. You can see two ways I told you open. Just double click or right click open. Another one more way, enter click. Right click open, that is easy method. Right click open. So then star bus drink, three folders I want to create. So that's all. I have created three folder inside the LAN folder. Then I want to go back inside the WAN folder. I want to create internet folder. Just you can keep skip like this, or otherwise just click on network. Then I want to open it WAN folder. Then new folder internet. Then again I want to open the internet folder. Inside the internet folder, what are the folder I want to create? Intranet and extranet. Okay, the given folder structure is created now. We'll move to the practical sheet. Okay, second question. Create the text file including your name, district, center, and NIC number. Save it into the star folder as a skill.com. So we'll move star folder. Where is that star folder available? LAN star folder. So the right click, new text file, then text file name, what name we want to give it, skill.com. Then I want to open it. Inside that, what are the details I want to give? Name, district, center, NIC number. Then file, save. That's already saved here. Then move to the practical sheet. Third one. Copy skill.com folder into man folder and rename it as skill 2015. Skill.com folder, copy where I want to copy it, man folder. Just paste. Then what I want to do it, I want to rename it as a skill 2015. Just pressing the backspace, you can delete it. 2015. Then enter. Changed. Create the shortcut Notepad and MS Excel inside the ring folder. Ring folder shortcut. Right click new shortcut. Normally Notepad. Just enter. Finish. You can create the Notepad. Then MS Excel. Right click new shortcut. So you want to select particular Excel some applications there. Then OK. Then next. Finish. So the MS Excel and Notepad shortcuts are created inside the ring folder. Finally, change the icon of WAN folder. So the WAN folder icon, we want to change it. So we'll move to the WAN folder. So icon, we'll see how we can change the icon. Right click, properties. Here, customize, change icon. Some network picture will give. Now we can see the icon was changed. I think we missed this fourth question. So we will discuss this. Apply read-only attribute to the skill 2015 file. So skill 2015 file, where is it? Inside the man folder. Okay. Right click, properties. Then just put a tick on read-only attributes. Then okay. So now it only can read. You can't write anything. So you can't remove anything in the file. So this is a way, or else I will show you again the changing icon. Right click, properties, customize, change icon. So here there are several icons they have given to you. Based on your wish, you can change the particular icon to your folder. That's all in the practical sheet number 2.